favorites. Engaging through our core. See if you can hold yourself up a little bit each time you come up. And next time you're right at the top, go ahead and hold there. If it's easier for you to hold around the backs of your knees and you'd like to stay there for more stabilization, go for it. If you want a little bit of a challenge, see if you can float your hands. So as we exhale, we're going to drop an inch to the floor and inhale, lift up. Go ahead and drop down and lift and drop and lift. Inhaling as you come up, pulling that back nice and flat, and drop and lift and drop and lift and drop. Stay strong, guys, and lift and drop. And last one, hold up here. I'm going to take one more little bonus one if you'd like. We'll go ahead and bring our hands to heart center, and we're going to swim it out side to side. So actively pressing our palms in towards each other. So activating our chest muscles, drawing that elbow down to one side, then to the other. So really focusing on that twist. If you need to drop your heels lightly down to the mat, go ahead and do so. We're focusing more on the twist here in this move.